Hey, it's Shannon. Welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a quick one, just showing you about the Labadee Beach Bungalows on Columbus Cove. So I'm going to do I have a separate video of the vlog, but I wanted to do a quick video of just the beach bungalow, where it is, how to get there, what it includes, because when I was looking and researching, couldn't really find that much information. So that's what this video is going to cover today. So when you come in, you're going to come in there, and then this is the first tram spot. You'll see the tram right here. This is Dragon's Plaza, and that's where we're going. So we're going to get to Columbus Cove here. You can see we are here, and we need to get down here. And we're off. So the first tram is right where the Dragon's flight line is, and we are leaving. It is 10:15, so I'm going to tell you how long it takes to get us to Columbus Cove. First stop on the tram is Nelly's Beach. That's where this little splash pad is. There's some other stuff here. I know there was other beach beds. I think there were beach beds here. And this is where the little splash pad is. But this is Nelly's Beach, but we are going now to Columbus Cove, and that's where we need to go. That's where the water park is, and that's where the Dragon slide is, the water slide. Okay, so this second stop is the Artisan Market, and the next stop is Columbus Cove. So Nelly's Beach, Artisan Market, then Columbus Cove. And you can see the zip line all the way up there. So here is Columbus Cove. The tram station is number 7, and we're heading to number 8. So we gotta walk over there. And then the slide is all the way up here, the cafe, and then the water park is over here. So this is the little Columbus Cove area. And it took us exactly 10 minutes from when we got on the tram to when we got off the tram. So 10 minutes from the first stop to Columbus Cove. And this is considered a really good area for the family because there's no waves. So a lot of kids, you can play, it's kind of like a bay area. So, and here is the check-in for the beach bungalows over here. Okay, so here we go. And it's just off to the side. So you have a little bit of roped area if you want a little bit more private, but then you have the area here, very close to the slide and the water park.
This is your cabana.
Perfect.
But you have to get bracelet before, okay?
Oh, okay, perfect.
Give a bracelet.
You got a bracelet?
Okay.
Thank you.
In Labadee, got a special drink. We call it Labadee.
The Labadee.
Labadee is a frozen drink with some tropical fruit, mango, papaya, guayaba, strawberry. We mix it together.
Okay.
If you want Labadee is a virgin or with alcohol, depending how you want it.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So we got Prestige. Prestige is a Haitian beer, local beer. We got some Heineken, Corona, Coastline, Middle East, depending on what kind of beer so you want.
Okay, perfect.
Great. So at 11:30 we serve lunch.
Okay.
And close at 2.
Perfect.
As you can see over there, the multicolor building over there, it's a restaurant.
Okay.
So any questions?
Nope, that's it. Thank you. Okay, so here is the cabana. You heard what he was saying. So it comes with towels, floating mats. You got the 2 beach beds here, more towels. They will replace towels, so if you get the beach cabana or the beach bungalow, don't worry about towels. We have very, very comfortable. This one's really, really nice. And this is a cooler, so it turns up and it is a cooler, and I believe it came with 8. So we have stuff. We had a bottle of champagne we were going to bring, and I totally forgot it. So it's in our room. So yeah, very, very nice, very comfortable. And let me give you a tour of the area. So it looks like there's only 8 cabanas. We are number 6. We are far, but there's only 8. So, I'm sorry, beach bungalows is what they're called. So there's only 8. They went really fast. I got the last one, and I got it on a Black Friday deal. So I got it I think it was like $268. The going rate when we left was like $560. So it was like double. We got it at 50% off. It comes with bar service, which the bartenders are always walking around anyway, but it doesn't come with, like, we have to go get our own food, which I'm totally fine with. For the value, it's great. Nice shaded area, so it's not too sunny. And then we have, there's that side of the beach is pretty busy. We're the only ship in port, but that side of the beach is pretty busy, so we have a little bit of, it's a little calmer over here, but if we wanted to go over there and, you know, see some other kids, we could. And then you also have the dragon, I think it's, I forgot what it's called. It's the Dragon's Breath slide, I think that's what it's called. So that's over there. The water park is over there. That's where we're headed next. We have that at 11. So we have that in 25 minutes. We should probably be checking in pretty soon. And then come back over here. So really nice. I was really happy with this location. I think that if you are going to be doing, you know, the slide and the aqua park, I think there's the parasails over here. So what I always suggest is trying to pick a side, find the activities that you want to do and going and staying in the same area. Otherwise, you're going to be running across all day, and it's going to be exhausting. So again, like I was saying, try and pick what you're going to be doing. And, you know, I picked the slide and I picked the aqua park. So that's where we decided to stay. And if I hadn't been able to get a bungalow, I think we would have still, like, we wouldn't have gotten a cabana somewhere else. We learned the hard way last year. We had an Oasis Lagoon cabana, and we had Throw Water Park, and we were walking back and forth, and it was exhausting. So I think trying to book too much and trying to go back and forth is a lot too much. So that's what we're doing. This is going to be our area today. And we're going to be doing a lot, but we're going to be taking a lot of breaks, and we don't have to be running across the island. We'll probably go to the artisan market on the way back. All aboard is at 3:30, but yeah, so this is Columbus Cove. These are the beach bungalows, and I'll let you know how it is at the end of the day. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the proximity to the food from the bungalows. So there's our bungalow, that's number 6. This is number 5. There's like a little easy out, but you can go underneath the rope pretty easily. Here you have the chairs, and we'll just kind of keep walking. So a bungalow is definitely not necessary. There's these chairs, a lot of open chairs. There's open chairs. So we're on Oasis class ship, really packed. So it's not necessary. Is it nice? Yes. Do we love it? Yes. But is it necessary? Absolutely not. So again, you can see the bungalows right there, and here is the food. So really, really close. They've already cleaned up. It's about 1 o'clock. The food is served until 2. So we have pasta salad with cherry tomatoes, watermelon feta salad, Caesar salad, rice and beans, corn on the cob, beef hot dog. You got the buns here. So you got beef burgers. You can get them. The out of cheese is out, but you have cheeseburgers. These were excellent. This is what I recommend. And then you also have jerk chicken. So of everything, the burgers were amazing. And then here's the dessert. You've got banana rum cake, grandma chocolate sponge cake, coconut macaroons, which are gluten-free, and then cheese bread slice. And then obviously a variety of fruit. On this side they have French punch and water, and the other side they also have lemonade. So we are headed out of the cabana. It was awesome. Cabana, great. Loved it. So if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. But Labadee Beach Bungalow, yeah, Beach Bungalow is what it's called. Highly recommend.